not snowing. We think it's not that cold, but look at our outfit
But
for
it's
this
cold.
time. But it's too much cold. But the beautiful place. Ang ganda. So, naghanap kami ng pagkakapihan. Naglalak na naman yung panga ko. So, anong pakiramdam mo, sir? Na nandito ka sa snow. Sobrang lamig na lamig.
There is sun, but it's cold still.
Okay.
Better than yesterday, but it's okay.
No, because it's open that side. That's why you're feeling cold.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Yeah. Now
They
it's
show
not that.
So nice, the monument.
So, what do you call this one? Can you take picture that one? I will ask you later.
I took a
Okay.
You want to go inside that building?
Where? Better here.
Wow, nice the clock and all.
So now we are here inside. I don't know where it's going. But as you can see, guys, kita nyo yung ano nila, gawa ng building. Ano? So, take picture for me, that one. Same that building. Come. Okay. Pictures. Your phone, huh? Keep it inside. Just close it. If you want, take picture that one way plug.
You?
Plug.
With you?
No, just take on the picture.